when it comes to strong and healthy plants. Doing the correct preparation and maintenance is key.
Imagine a garden filled with low-maintenance buddies that bring you color year after year. Yes, they're none other than perennials. Perennials are non-woody comeback kids of the plant world. Some are evergreen, keeping their foliage through winter. Others are herbaceous, meaning they die back in autumn and winter, regrowing from the same roots the following year. Planting perennials is easy with a bit of planning. Arrange your plants in the ground with the tall bloomers at the back, the medium growers in the middle, and the shorties in the front. Next, let them thrive with good soil prepared with plenty of compost and a granular fertilizer. Dig a hole deep enough to cover the root ball and twice as wide to allow room for the roots to stretch. Plant them slightly closer together than the maximum spread on the label to give you a tight-knit display. Remember to mulch and water thoroughly. Perennials self-seed, but we prefer flowers over seeds. So deadhead or prune old flowers to encourage new growth and feed with the granular fertilizer for a healthy, pest and disease-resistant growth. So go on, take your gardening game to the next level and plant some perennials today.